Do you know that black seed oil has been used for centuries to treat various ailments? Modern science is now beginning to unlock the secrets of this powerful natural remedy. This video explores the health benefits of black seed oil, including its ability to improve digestion, fight inflammation, and boost immunity. Watch the video to learn more about this fantastic natural remedy. Black seed oil is an oil extracted from black cumin seeds. Also known as Nigella sativa, black cumin seeds are native to Asia and the Middle East. The oil has a long history of use in traditional medicine, dating back to ancient Egypt. This oil is dark brown and has a bitter, pungent taste. The main active ingredient in black seed oil is thymoquinone, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and anti-cancer properties. Black seed oil is also rich in essential fatty acids, minerals, and vitamins. While more research is needed to confirm the potential health benefits of black seed oil, it is safe to use. It is available in capsules, liquids, and creams. You can find black seed oil for sale online or in some health food stores. So here are the best health benefits of black seed oil. 1. Black seed oil can help boost your immune system. Black seed oil is rich in antioxidants and essential fatty acids, which are crucial for a robust immune system. Inflammation is a response by the body's immune system to protect against infection or injury. While acute inflammation is a normal and necessary response, chronic inflammation can lead to health problems, including heart disease and arthritis. One way black seed oil helps fight inflammation is by reducing the production of inflammatory cytokines. Cytokines are proteins that play a vital role in the body's inflammatory response. By reducing the production of these proteins, black seed oil can help reduce chronic inflammation. Several pieces of scientific evidence support the use of black seed oil for immunity. One study found that black seed oil increased the activity of natural killer cells, which are essential for fighting infection and cancer. Another study found that black seed oil can help improve symptoms of autoimmune diseases like rheumatoid arthritis by reducing inflammation. Overall, black seed oil appears to be a safe and effective way to help boost the immune system. If you are interested in trying black seed oil, ensure you talk with your healthcare provider first. 2. Black seed oil strengthens your bones and teeth. Black seed oil is an excellent way to improve bone and dental health. The oil is rich in essential nutrients that help promote healthy bones and teeth. The oil helps keep your bones strong and healthy by providing them with the necessary vitamins and minerals. It is a good source of calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, and zinc. These minerals are vital for strong bones and teeth. The oil also contains vitamin A, essential for healthy bones and teeth. In addition, its anti-inflammatory properties can benefit people who suffer from conditions resulting from inflammation in the bones and joints. 3. Black seed oil is perfect for your respiratory system. Black seed oil is an excellent remedy for respiratory problems. You can use it to treat bronchitis, asthma, and even allergies. Its antihistamine properties make it an ideal treatment for respiratory conditions. Black seed oil is also effective in treating the common cold and flu. It has antibacterial and antiviral properties, making it a powerful remedy for these illnesses. The oil is loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, which are also essential for keeping the respiratory system healthy. Its natural anti-inflammatory content can help soothe the airways. The black seed oil also has expectorant properties, clearing the lungs of mucus and other irritants. In addition, the black seed oil is a natural antiseptic, so it can help to fight off infections in the lungs. 4. Black seed oil can help prevent cancer. Cancer is a devastating disease that affects millions of people around the world. While there is no surefire way to prevent cancer, there are some things you can do to lower your risk. One natural remedy that may be effective is black seed oil. Recent studies have shown that black seed oil has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which may help protect against cancer. One study found that black seed oil can kill breast cancer cells without harming healthy cells. Another study showed that black seed oil inhibits the growth of colon cancer cells. So why is black seed oil so effective for cancer? The oil's unique composition includes over 100 different compounds and nutrients. These include vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and fatty acids. One significant compound in black seed oil is thymoquinone, which has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Other compounds like thymohydroquinone and thymol also have essential medicinal effects. If you're looking for a natural way to help prevent cancer, black seed oil may be worth considering. 5. Black seed oil is an excellent sleep-inducing agent. You can use black seed oil to treat insomnia and other sleep disorders. The oil is rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties, which are beneficial for promoting a restful night's sleep. In addition, black seed oil improves sleep quality and duration due to its soothing properties. Black seed oil may be worth trying if you find it challenging to get a good night's sleep. The oil is easy to find and relatively inexpensive, making it an excellent option for those looking for a natural way to improve their sleep. 6. Black seed oil has antifungal properties. Black seed oil is a natural remedy against various fungal infections, such as athlete's foot, ringworm, and candidiasis. The oil is rich in thymoquinone, an antifungal compound that helps kill infection-causing fungi. It is effective against Candida albicans, a common cause of vaginal yeast infections. Black seed oil is a natural alternative to conventional antifungal agents and has fewer side effects. To use black seed oil as an antifungal treatment, apply a few drops to the affected area several times a day. 7. Black seed oil can help you lose weight. If you're looking to lose weight, black seed oil may be able to help. Recent studies have shown that black seed oil can help promote weight loss by increasing metabolism and reducing appetite. A study found that taking black seed oil for 8 weeks significantly reduced body weight, fat, and waist circumference. Another study found that black seed oil reduces food intake and body weight in rats who were on a high-fat diet. And while more research is needed, there's evidence to suggest that black seed oil may also help improve insulin resistance and blood sugar levels. So if you're trying to lose weight, adding some black seed oil to your diet may be a helpful strategy. 8. Black seed oil can help improve skin condition. Black seed oil is becoming increasingly popular for its many health benefits. One lesser-known benefit of black seed oil is its ability to improve skin conditions. The active compound in the oil, thymoquinone, has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These properties can help reduce the appearance of scars, acne, and other skin blemishes. Black seed oil can help moisturize the skin and make it more supple. This property is possible thanks to its essential fatty acid like linoleic and oleic acid. In addition, it can help with various skin conditions. You can use this oil to treat psoriasis, eczema, and acne. The oil can help soothe inflammation and reduce redness. It is also known for its antibacterial properties, which can help prevent infection. If you're looking for a natural way to improve your skin condition, give black seed oil a try. You can apply it to your skin or add it to your favorite skincare products. 9. Black seed oil can help cleanse your liver and kidneys. Black seed oil is an increasingly popular remedy for various ailments, including liver and kidney problems. This oil can help detoxify and cleanse these organs thanks to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. The antioxidant properties help protect these organs from damage, while the anti-inflammatory properties reduce inflammation throughout the body. You should incorporate black seed oil in your diet if you need a natural way to improve your liver and kidney health. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 12 extraordinary health benefits of eating chia seeds. Thanks for watching and bye for now.